Welcome back everyone. Today we will do question number 5 of exercise 2.5. Factorize first part 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So we have to factorize this sum. How to do it? Let us see. As you can see, 4x square can be written as 2x whole square because 4 is a perfect square, it is the square of 2, and x square is the square of x. So it will be written as 4x square will be written as 2x whole square plus 9 is written as 3 square and y square is written as y whole square. So 9y square will be written as 3y whole square. 16z square will be written as 4z whole square. So this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. This is our a. This base is a. 2x, 2a, this is b, plus 2b, c, this is 4z is our c, plus 2c, this is c, and a is 2x. So if we check this product, 2 2s are 4 3s are 12xy. You can cross check it. You are getting this term, fourth term is 12xy, 2 3s are 6 4s are 24yz. The same term you are getting, 2 4s are 8 2s are 16zx. But you can see the difference is of negative sign. Here we have positive signs, but in the sum we have negative signs. Now we have to see which term should contain negative sign. To check this, you can see these two terms are having negative sign, and in these two terms you can see the common variable is z. So it means the term containing z will be of negative sign. So wherever we have z in this sum, in the terms we are having z, so there we have to take negative sign. So here minus 4z, here minus 4z, here minus 4z. So you can check, we'll get 2 3s are 6 4s are 24 plus minus 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 24yz, 2 4s are 8 2s are 16 plus minus minus. So these two terms will be of negative sign, and minus 4z whole square gives you 16 plus 16z square, because square of minus is plus. So if we compare this expression with this identity, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the expansion of this identity, a plus b plus c whole square. So you can see here a is, this is our a, this base is a. So here a is 2x, this b base of second term is 3y, so b is 3y, and this c is minus 4z. So put the value of a, b, c in this, 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So this is the factorization. Since its degree is 2, we will write this in 2 brackets. So it will be of this form. So this is the factorization of this part. Second part is factorize 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. So if we, now you can see 2x square will be written as root 2x whole square, because 2 is not a perfect square, it is the square of root 2. So root 2x square, if we open this bracket, we'll get root 2 square is 2 and x square is, x whole square is x square. Y square will be written as y whole square, so we'll keeping it in bracket y whole square. 8 is again not a perfect square, so 8 will be factorized as 2 root 2. 8 will be written as 2 root 2, and z square is the square of z square. So you can check, 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 4 2s are 8 and z whole square is z square. So you will get the third term. So this is a square plus b square plus c square. So next term is 2ab, 2 into root 2x into y. 2bc, this is our b, 2 into b into, this is our c, plus 2ca. C is 2 root 2z and a is root 2x. Now you can cross check again. 2 root 2xy. The fourth term is 2 root 2xy. This is 2 to the 4 root 2yz. 2 to the 4 and root 2 is 2. So this will become 2 to the 4 to the 8zx. Now you can again see these two terms are negative and here the common variable is x. It means the term containing x will be of negative sign. So this term will be of negative sign, this term will be of negative sign, and this term will be of negative sign. So again if we compare it with this identity, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So you can see here this is a, this is b, and this is c. So you put the value here. A is minus root 2x, b is y, and c is 2 root 2z. So put the value of ABC here. We'll get minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. So we'll be writing it 2 times since degree is 2. So this is the factorization of this sum, minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. So this is the answer of second part of question 5. Sixth question is, write the following cubes in expanded form. Now we have to find the cube of these parts, but we have to use identities. So see, first part of question 6 is 2x plus 1 whole cube. If we recall the identity, cubic identities, so we have to compare it with this identity, a plus b whole cube. So what is the expansion of this identity? A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So if we compare, here a is 2x and b is 1. So put the value of a 2x here, here and here, and b equal to 1 in this identity here, b 1 here, here and here. So you can take a as 2x whole cube, b as 1 cube, 3ab means 3 into a is 2x and b is 1 and a plus b is 2x plus 1. Now you can see cube of 2 is 8, x cube 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1, 3 2s are 6x into 2x plus 1. Now we will open the bracket. This will remain same, first two terms, 6 2s are 12, x into x becomes x squared, 12x squared, plus will give you plus sign, 6x into 1 gives you 6x. So this is the answer of first part. Second part is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now if we compare it with this identity, now identity is in AB, no, question is in AB, so we are using identity in x and y. So if we compare this question with this identity, x minus y whole cube, and its expansion is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So you can see here x is, what is x here? 2a, and y is 3b. So put the value of x as 2a and y as 3b in this expansion, open the bracket, you will get the answer of second part. Third part is 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. Again, if we compare this sum with the identity, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So here, what is a here? First term is a, 3 by 2x, and second term is b is 1. So put the value of 3 here, a here, 3 by 2x whole cube, this is a cube, this is b cube, then 3 into a is 3 by 2x and b is 1, 3 by, sorry, this here it is a plus b, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So 3 by 2x plus 1. Now you can see 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8 and x cube is x cube. 1 cube is 1, 3 3s are 9 upon 2x, and this bracket will come a plus b. 27 by 8x cube plus 1, open this bracket, 9 3s are 27 and 2 2s are 4. 27 by 4 and x into x gives you x square, plus plus gives you plus, and 9 by 2x into 1 gives you 9 by 2x. So this is the answer of third part. Fourth part is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So if we compare it with this identity, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So what is a here? The first term is a and the second term is b. So put the value of a and b in this identity and solve this part. Solve the brackets, you will get the answer of fourth part. Next question is question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. First part is 99 cube. This question 7 is same as question 6, only the difference is here we are taking digits. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So using identity a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So again compare what is a here. First term is a and second term is b. Put the value of a and b in this expansion. A cube means 100 cube minus b cube is 1 cube. 3 into a is 100, b is 1, again a minus b. So 100 cube is 10 lakh. So we have 2 zeros here and cube of 2 zeros is 6 zeros. We have to triple the zeros. 2 to 4 to 6. 10 lakh minus 1 minus 300 into 99. So we'll get 10 lakh minus 1 29700. So 10 lakh minus minus gives you plus and sign is of minus. 29701, and after subtraction we will be getting 10 lakh minus 29701. 10 minus 1 9, then 9, then 2 0 7 9. We can cross check. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 10 10 10, 9 plus 1 10. So this is the answer of first part. Second part is 102 whole cube. So if we have to factorize it, we have to write it in this form, 100 plus 2 whole cube, and now you can easily find out which identity we have to use. Yes, we have to use a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here a is 100 and b is 2. So put the value of a 100 and b 2 in this expansion. You will get the answer after solving these brackets. So you can solve this sum yourself. Third part is 998 whole square. Again we can write it in this form, 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 is 998 whole square. So here a is 1000 and b is 2, and we are using identity. This is of the form a minus b whole cube. Yes, this is cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So put the value of a 1000 and b 2 in this expansion and solve the brackets. You will find out the cubes and solve the bracket. You will get the answer of third part. So this completes your question number 5 to 7. The parts which I have done half, you have to complete those parts. So this is your homework to complete 5 to 7 questions. Thank you.